Welcome to Uniting the Cults. Somebody says, it is not normal to make videos about hating a religion of Islam. And this was a while ago. I vaguely remember he was referring to me. So let's see. You should tell people, yeah, he was replying to one of my videos. You should tell people to seek professional help if they have depression. It's a real illness. Your hot take on what to do does not help anyone. So I replied, I do tell people to get therapy. I even have videos where I explain that, multiple videos. I think you don't know what you're talking about. He replied, it is not normal to make videos about hating a religion of Islam all the time. I could have said that, but I didn't. I don't think you know what you're talking about when it comes to Islam. You had a relationship with one Muslim woman by the sound of it, and it went bad. Now you are bitter. You never got any professional education in Islam. All it is internet talking points. This current Muslim decided to delete their last message, this message right here. So I couldn't reply to it. But fortunately for me and us, I knew he might do something like that. So I took a snapshot, and here it is. So let's see. This is nonsense on so many levels. First thing, let me see if I can keep his message there while we read. What's normal or not doesn't matter. Lots of things are normal and evil. So it's stupid to point out that something is not normal. What I'm doing is extremely not normal. I founded a nonprofit for the purpose of ridding the world of apostasy laws. I'm not bitter about my marriage. I think you're just lying through your teeth instead of actually judging anything. You're jumping to conclusions, like you want this to be the case so you can ignore what I say about Islam. Nobody needs to have a professional education in Islam. What people need is an education in epistemology, the study of knowledge. It's the subject that judges all other subjects. If you get the epistemology wrong, then you get the end conclusions wrong, like whether or not Islam is God-made. My work is philosophy, explanations, not talking points. I'm wondering if you know the difference. Let's read some replies. The problem with people saying, quote, you need to be better educated about Islam, is that phrase is conflated with the idea of A, accepting it and legitimizing it, or B, cherry-picking only the good parts. Fundamentalists don't consider the fact that criticisms and contemporary application are part of the education. Identifying the bad parts of a religion is just as much part of the education as identifying the good parts, of which there are very few and far between. But of course, seeing the bad is just met with, quote, you need to educate yourself more on Islam. Very good point. That troll was just looking for anyone to have a moan at. Yeah, and they picked the wrong person. I'm not letting people do that. Orbiting a large cube is also not normal, but Muslims live it. Agreed. He thinks of himself so highly, which is his downfall, but that's what theists are known for. God loves us specifically. He got a special place for us with this mindset. They go around thinking anyone who doesn't his or her religion must be evil, doesn't believe in his or her religion must be evil. And the devil is working on them against the truth. Mass delusions. I think this might be the same person. It's funny this post has thousands of views, maybe tens of thousands, but only 30 likes, and you think this makes you look good? If it's your comment section debate, why make it a post? Makes it look like you don't know how to reply to comments properly. How did you get the idea that I think the number of likes makes me look good? He's making this up. I think he's projecting here. He's taking ideas from his own head about what he thinks about himself and stuff like that, and just assuming that I think that. He didn't read anything from me that says so. So I said, you apparently didn't read the post. The person deleted their comment, so I couldn't reply. So I posted his deleted comment and replied to it, and then I linked the post to him. This isn't even for him. It's for others to learn from. He said, and he's replying to this question when I asked him, how did you get the idea that I think the number of likes makes me look good? He said, well, because that means thousands of people passed over your post. If it was a really influential post, it would have gotten a lot of views and a lot of likes. Maybe kind of confusing to assume they were Muslim without any evidence. Likely they were just an ex-Muslim too, given they are on here. I don't think if someone actually loves Islam, they would be on this sub. So to his first thing, I said, so this is your reasoning for why you think that I thought the number of likes makes me look good? It makes no damn sense. I think he just got confused about what the hell he was replying to. So to the other party said, I think that makes no sense, given that there are actually Muslims here. I guess they are Muslim because I think only a Muslim would say shit like this. Quote, you never got professional education in Islam. No ex-Muslim would say redonkulous shit like that. All right, that's enough.